Hi everybody, Cecilia Howard here. You are at my YouTube channel, Less Stress with Mindfulness. And I am hoping that you find it a resource to come to again and again to help you to find ways to bring mindfulness into your daily life. Mindfulness means present moment, non-judgmental awareness. So being aware of what's happening as it's happening in the present moment without needing to judge what's occurring. What you're going to find on my page here are lots of guided meditations, information about meditation and mindfulness, as well as some energy healing that is very mindfully driven and allows you to hopefully feel more calm, more relaxed, and more at ease with the world around you. So please subscribe. Less stress with mindfulness. Thank you. Bye.